Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a popular Mexican chili powder. You've probably seen it a lot on Mexican fruit and Mexican snacks. So if you want to learn how to make this delicious powder that rhymes with Tajin, please keep watching. Okay friends, the chiles that I'm going to be using today for my chili powder is going to be a Chile, California. And these are a lot sweeter. They're a lot lighter in flavor and they're not as spicy. Obviously, it's gonna depend on your season. We're gonna do one Chile de Arbol, Chiles Japoneses. And the Chiles Japoneses, it's rare that I get a really spicy one, or maybe I'm just, I'm just used to it. So be careful on your end. And I'm gonna be using 2 Chiles de Puya. And all of these ingredients are gonna be in the description area, guys. So let's go ahead and take out the seeds. We don't want the seeds in here because those are what makes your chili and your powders very, very bitter. But if you want to keep things in there for cooking, it coagulates your soup, your brews, whatever you're using your chili for. It makes it a lot thicker and bitter, so watch out. Sounds like a maraca.
It sounds like rain.
Really? Yeah. I wanted to do some maracas, okay? I wanted to shake it.
Whoop.
So you can break it apart pretty well.
Then rub your eyes. I mean, just don't rub your eyes.
No.
I'm working with chilies, I always forget and I always rub my eyes.
I'm like that with my nose. Yeah. I have nose allergies.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So wear gloves if you have the tendencies to get itchy.
You guys hear my kids rattling around. Take it easy on me in the comments, okay? They're happy kids.
Like chiles.
They are. Hey, that's when you know when your kids are bumping around and jumping everywhere, you know they're happy. You know you're doing a good job as a parent.
Yes. I also have to comment, you look really beautiful today.
Thank you. I feel very lively, actually.
Nice.
So I appreciate it. And it's hot. It's hot and this is fresh. You know how we do it? Mm-hmm. Hey.
It's too hot for clothes.
It really is. Like even tights or anything, I'm like, not today.
Mm-hmm.
No, we're not doing that. Now, if you guys are gonna ask me if I'm gonna hit the streets like that, probably not. We all know why, but not today.
Today's not a good day for that.
Today's not a good day for that, guys. But yeah, this is gonna be delicious. Who's excited for this? And here's what I'm gonna tell you. If you're not familiar with these chiles, just use the ones that I have and I'll put on the side the spice level, or you can search it on your own, depending on my time, because once my kids hit my atmosphere, I aim to please my babies and my whole world stops. Okay. You don't have to use one of these little grinders, but if you guys like Mexican cuisine, this one has been very helpful to me. I don't know if Cloud found the link. We'll try it again. Se me queda un poquito de chile aquí. Girl, it is not that spicy. Quit playing, Cloud.
I have allergies.
So you're gonna put all these chiles in here, and make sure you move the kids away because this can get really spicy when you're blending. And even for yourselves, just be very careful on what you're inhaling. Okay.
I used to love that smell of like grinding chili and roasted chili when we were younger.
Roasted chili is my thing, girl. You
knew you were gonna eat some good food.
Shout out to all our friends that put me on the same scale as Rachel Ray. Hey! Thank you guys so much for thinking so wonderfully of me. She's such a great lady.
Minutes. You got 30 minutes to make this meal.
Okay, let me hurry up, guys. Ready? Now let's grind it. Okay, maybe not.
Well, girl.
Let me adjust. You guys already know, okay? I have my days, I have my moments, but I'm always happy. So, 1, 2. I said 1, 2, 3.
Shout out to all the Juans.
Juan, where are you? Nope, it didn't work today.
Do you need help?
Nope. Bendito, ¿qué está pasando con esto? Oh, there we go, it wasn't locked. Keeping me safe, thank you, Mr. Coffee. We need a new edition called Mr. Chile. DJ Chile. I gave it to myself today.
I was thinking it too.
I don't know. DJ Chancla and I are gonna have to collaborate here soon. Ooh.
You got a couple DJs in the comments.
Yeah, we do. See what I'm talking about?
You should ask Grandma for the luchador mascara.
Well, she's gonna say when you get to 1 million subscribers, so I can take it off and let you use it.
For the chili.
Okay. You're gonna see that there's some that are a little bit that didn't get too fine. If you don't want it too fine, you don't have to. With this one, you have an option, and with your blender, you might not, because it's gonna give you the big flakes. So this is where I'm gonna make it comfortable for my home. I love the tartness from hibiscus flower, Jamaica. So I'm gonna give this a good little grind in here. We're gonna be grinding and not the kind that you guys wanna do right now, okay? So let's grind.
Salud!
Ooh, you got me so good. Don't you hate when somebody says that and you can't sneeze? ¿Cómo se te ocurre, Claudia?
Well, some people think I pick on you a lot.
Well, you know what? That's part of being family, okay? This is how we have fun. We pick
and I
on...
agree, I do pick on her, but not like other siblings pick on their siblings.
Well, at least you didn't tie me to a tree or tape me to a tree and put all kinds of writing on my face. You're not that kind of sibling.
No. Mm-mm.
You're a good sister.
But there's always time.
Well, no, there's not a moment in my life where I would want to be tied to a tree, girl.
It's too hot for that.
It is. I was thinking, I'm like, maybe if you throw water at me. And you know what? You can grind all of this at the same time. It's just that, you know, when I get too excited to hang out with you guys and I'm like, ay, se me olvidó. Like, oh my goodness, I forgot.
Toma mi casque agua.
Está bueno en Chile. Hey, when it's, you know, it's good when your nose starts running and I haven't even ate, okay?
All for the Views Club.
All for you.
We're choking, but that's okay. All for you.
All for you. Yeah. You guys asked me, I'll take it. Ya te pusiste de modelo.
My yoga.
You guys, you should see Cloud doing her yoga on here, okay? So you're gonna see a little flakiness like this. Okay.
Okay.
And this is where I hear you guys, okay? I'm like your YouTube mommy. Like the real mommy that does feed you. That cares and loves you. Not the fun mom that just wants to party with you, okay? That's not me.
That'll be my job.
Yes, that's Cloud's job. You're the naughty tia, okay?
Yes.
The naughty mommy tia. And I'm the good tia.
Yep.
But sometimes I can be the naughty one too, so watch out.
Alright guys, we're just gonna be ourselves.
Yes. Okay, so this is where it's gonna get fun for you. You're gonna pour it into whatever little container, and I'm using this one just because I thought it was gonna be easier to get in. If you guys are wondering if this is those things that they use for oil, you are correct, okay? Don't judge me. Like, it works for my spices. I grind.
Excuse me. Okay.
If you can't stand the heat, you're gonna have to get out of the kitchen, girl. Okay, you guys, if you're gonna judge me for having this oil little thing, go ahead. You're better off just judging me for using plastic. But what I'm saying is that these are so easy for you when you grind your spices to get them back into your containers.
But you didn't have oil in there before. It's
No,
brand new.
it's brand new. I have this because they come in like small, medium, and large. So depending on my production, that's kind of what I go with.
You can make one out of newspaper too.
Yep, regular paper. You got it. Just let me be cool with this oil filter thing.
You're
I don't know
gonna
what it's
change
called.
the oil in my car, girl.
No, I will not. I'm done with that.
The color of this chili blend is beautiful.
Now here is where it's gonna be lovely for you. I'm gonna start off with half a teaspoon of salt, okay? And I'm gonna pour that in there. This is where you wanna watch your salt content, and you wanna watch the lime, because some of you say it's too tart or things like that. Well, I have this lovely ingredient that I use.
Okay.
Lime powder. They have it for lemon and lime. I'll have Claude put the link in the description if you guys are interested. It's a huge container of lime powder. It's really good.
Is that by King Arthur? Is that what
That's right, girl.
Okay.
They have a really good product. I like it.
Yeah, their flowers are really nice.
I have a runny nose. Ay, bendito. Ay,
I need to get a shot of that.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with half a teaspoon. You can always add salt and more of this lime powder, and it's a heaping spoon of half a teaspoon. Put that in. I'm gonna use my little container. Give it a good little shake. This is gonna be a little rattlesnake. Now you guys finish it in the comments. Yeah. You thought you'd get a concert too? Now let me go ahead and taste. Okay, so now I'm gonna give this a taste. Oh yeah, that's perfect for me. If you guys have ever had a pica limon, you sure? Mm-hmm. If you've had a pica limon, it's a Mexican candy. It gives it that similar taste. What you think?
So it does taste like pica limon.
I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys the exact ingredients I used for this portion. This portion should last you a while. I mean, unless you're going ham this summer. But one of the things that I want to share with you guys, I know that you're in different regions all over the world, and you guys join me for wonderful dishes. And what I'm gonna say to you guys is, use whatever chili peppers you have at hand. If you have dehydrated jalapenos, dehydrated any kind of peppers, if you dehydrate like bell peppers and you want to make your own little blend, you can do that. Hey, you can even make it with your gochugaru, your Korean pepper flakes. It's making it comfortable for your home. You don't have to do everything exactly how I do it. I show you the steps so that you can recreate them, feel confident, feed your families, and have a whole lot of fun.
And you can control what's in there in your chili powder, right?
You really can control every single ingredient. Okay, and I really like these ball containers because they have the little shaker, like a little shaker, yeah. I have it like this with my Szechuan chili pepper that I've been flaking on everything, and this will be just the same. So you can put this on your fruit. You guys remember when I made the tostilocos? I already showed you how to make your chamoy. Now you know how to make your tajin. Don't feel left out. If you've never had it and have no idea, these basic steps are gonna get you through it. If you guys change it up some type of way, please let me know. But that Jamaica in here really brings it a good flavor, and your body's gonna thank you for it. Okay friends, and that's how you make the Mexican chili powder for your antojitos, for your snacks or your delicious treats. I'm gonna be showing you here at the end what we like to put this chili powder on. And I'm not saying you need to substitute this one. This one's bomb.com. I love it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It has been in my pantry for years. But if you want to learn how to make your own, now you know how to do it. Make sure to read the recipe in the description area and share with everybody you know, because it's pretty exciting when you learn how to make things for your family out of scratch. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy our chit chat, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Click that subscription button, and then you're gonna see that little bell pop up. That's gonna give you notifications when I upload. If you guys are interested in joining us for more shenanigans, me and Cloud, there is no filter, you guys, on the Views Club. The link will be here at the end. And yeah, we'll see you there. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Love you!